Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact cells you want removed. Click and drag for a block. Hold Control to pick scattered cells. Once selected, consider whether you need to clear contents or delete the cells entirely, because clearing keeps structure but deletion shifts nearby data. Make sure to check adjacent rows and columns so you don't accidentally misalign formulas. If you have formulas referencing these cells, note them before proceeding. Otherwise, proceed to the Edit menu or right-click Options to take the next action. You now perform the deletion and choose how the sheet should react. Right-click the selection and pick Clear Contents to empty cells but keep Layout, or choose Delete Cells and decide whether to Shift Left or Shift Up. That determines how surrounding data moves. To remove full structures, delete the entire row or column from the menu. Once done, glance over formulas and formatting to confirm everything still aligns. If anything looks off, undo immediately and adjust the selection or deletion method. To finish, verify that dependent formulas, named ranges and filters, still work. Make sure totals and charts reflect the change. If you realize the deletion caused problems, use version history to restore a previous state, which is safer for large edits. Once restored, try deleting differently or adjust formulas to avoid fragile references. If a formula shows error, update references, or use find and replace to correct ranges. Remember, immediate undo is fastest for simple mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.